What are the advantages of API testing? Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of software testing, focusing on one of the most crucial aspects, API testing. Whether you're a developer, tester, or someone curious about tech, understanding API testing is essential. So let's get started. What is API testing? First things first, what is API testing? API stands for Application Programming Interface, which is a set of rules and protocols for building and interacting with software applications. API testing is the process of verifying that these APIs meet expectations for functionality, reliability, performance, and security. Now, let's explore the advantages of API testing. Early detection of bugs. One of the biggest advantages of API testing is the early detection of bugs. By testing APIs before the front end of an application is fully developed, you can identify and resolve issues at the back end. This early intervention saves time and resources, preventing minor bugs from becoming major problems down the line. Language independent. Another advantage is that API testing is language independent. APIs can be tested using any language as they are protocol-based. This means that testers can use their preferred scripting languages and tools, making API testing highly flexible and adaptable to different testing environments. Faster testing process. API testing can significantly speed up the testing process. Since it involves testing the business logic of an application without the need for a user interface, it can be automated easily. Automated API tests can run faster and more frequently, providing quick feedback and facilitating continuous integration. Enhanced security testing. Security is a top priority for any software application, and API testing plays a critical role in this area. By validating the security of APIs, testers can ensure that sensitive data is protected and that there are no vulnerabilities that hackers could exploit. API testing helps in identifying security loopholes early and addressing them effectively. Improved reliability and consistency. APIs are the backbone of communication between different software components. By thoroughly testing APIs, you ensure that all interactions are reliable and consistent. This reliability boosts the overall quality of the software, leading to a better user experience. Scalability testing. Finally, API testing helps in evaluating the scalability of an application. By simulating various scenarios and loads, testers can see how the API behaves under different conditions. This helps in understanding the API's performance limits and ensures that it can handle real-world demands. API testing offers numerous advantages, including early bug detection, language independence, faster testing processes, enhanced security, improved reliability, and scalability testing. By incorporating API testing into your development lifecycle, you ensure a robust, secure, and efficient application. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech insights and tutorials. Leave your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.